Are you planning to explore Glasgow but don't want to carry your bags around? Radical Storage offers an efficient and secure way to store your luggage while you enjoy the city. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps of depositing your luggage at a storage point in Glasgow using Radical Storage, a trusted platform with secure and insured options. Radical Storage partners with local businesses such as hotels, cafes, and shops, ensuring your bags are safe while you roam the city. You can search for Radical Storage online, but to avoid phishing sites, it's best to use the secure link in the description. Once you're on the Radical Storage website, finding a storage point in Glasgow is easy. Just type Glasgow into the search bar and browse through the available locations. Choose a storage point that's convenient, whether it's near tourist sites, transit hubs, or downtown Glasgow. Select your drop-off and pick-up times, then proceed to payment. Radical Storage ensures secure online transactions, so you can book confidently. After completing your booking, you'll receive a reference number and detailed directions to the chosen storage location. When you arrive, simply present your reference number, and the staff will safely store your bags. Now you're free to explore Glasgow without the burden of carrying luggage. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.